I was trying to take a shower in the morning, and what ended up happening was there was no water pressure, and I was getting late for a conference call. I couldn't figure out what was wrong. The water was left on in my shower upstairs, which is over this kitchen. I took a step, and I approximately had about 2 inches of water. And I looked up on the wall, and it ended up that the ceiling was caving in. Unbelievably to me, Menold was out here the very next morning, like at 8 o'clock in the morning. And it was just unbelievable because they worked with my girlfriend's mom while I was at work because I was stressing out. I didn't know what was going to happen to me. They were just so amazing. I mean, they were telling me, you know, it's going to be okay. We're going to fix it. You know, we'll get it to what you like. This company has it together. I mean, they really do. If I had a problem or I had an issue or I didn't like a design, I would probably get a call back in like 5 to 10 minutes. If they couldn't, they would text me and let me know, hey, you know, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Anyone who has issues like this, they really need to use Menold because your stress is relieved when you're talking with them and they come in and they do a project. They are just hands down the best.